ጋይስ እንግዲህ ተመልከቱ። ቻትጂፒቲን ጥያቄ ጠይቄው ነው። ይሄ እንግዲህ ኤግዚት ኤግዛም ላይ የሚወጣ ጥያቄ ነው። ይሄው ጥያቄ አስገባውለትኝና ቻትጂፒቲን ራሱ እንደዚህ ግራ ያጋባው ጥያቄ እኛ እንዴት እንደምንመልስ አላውቅም። ይውላችሁ which of the following statement is not correct ነው የሚለው። ከዛ ከኤስከዲ ምርጫ አለው። ከዛ the answer is A አለ። ከዛ reason for constraint we add artificial variable regardless of maximization or minimization ይለና however we also need to add an artificial variable but the statement says add artificial variable that part is correct ይላል። እሺ wait let me reevaluate አለ። ከዛ actually for constraint we add artificial variable correct but the key issue is that for equal to sign we also need to add an artificial variable but we don't add a slack surplus. However looking at the options more carefully ኦፕሽኖቹ እንደዚህ ናቸው። add artificial variable for እኩል ይሆናል correct ነው። add slack for ለዛ ነው equal to correct ነው። subtract surplus for greater than or equal to correct ነው። add slack for ለዛ ነው equal to correct ነው። correct ያለው ራይቱ ነው የሚለው ጥያቄው። so all seems correct ይላል። actually the not correct one is A አለ because for colonial constraints you add artificial variable but you do not add slack or surplus. ግን ጥያቄው however the statement add artificial variable if the problem is maximization with equal sign is actually correct ይላል። ምን ያህል እየተወዛገበ እንደሆነ ተመልከቱ። let me check again አለ። the trick for colonial constraint you add an artificial variable but you also need to add a surplus አለ። ጥያቄ ነው የጠየቀው። ከዛ no አለ ራሱ መልሶ። the incorrect statement is A because for maximization with colonial you add artificial variable but the statement is technically correct አለ። እንግዲህ ምን ያህል እንትን እያለ እየተወዛገበ እንደሆነ actually the standard rule is አለ ለዛ ነው equal to ከሆነ add slack greater than or equal to ከሆነ subtract surplus and add artificial colonial ከሆነ add artificial no slack or surplus። ስለዚህ all options are correct but the question asks for not correct. The only questionable one is A because it says add artificial variable if the problem is maximization with colonial correct colonial sign አለና that is correct አለ። ድጋሚ wait አለ። ከዛ I think the intended answer is A because for constraint we add artificial variable but the statement is incomplete. No, statement incomplete ነው. We also need to add artificial for minimization with colonial sign. ጥያቄው የሚለው we add colonial sign for maximization ነው። ግን የምንጨምረው ማክሲማይዜሽንም ሆነ ሚኒማይዜሽንም ሆነ ኮሎናል ሳይን እንጨምራለን። ስለዚህ ኢንኮምፕሊት ነው እያለ ነው። but since it says maximization with colonial it is still correct ይላል። አሁን let me reread it ድጋሚ ላንብበው። option A says add artificial variable if the problem is maximization with colonial sign. this is correct. maybe the not correct is C ምናልባት C ነው በቃ ልክ ያለው ነው አለ። እዛ no subtract surplus for greater than is correct. Actually I realize the error. For greater than or equal to constraints we subtract surplus and add artificial. Only option C only mentions subtract surplus. That is incomplete but not wrong. Upon careful review አለ the standard answer is A because for colonial constraints we add artificial but we also need to add slack ብሎ ጠየቀና no አለ። I'll go with the commonly tested answer. A is not correct because for colonial constraints we add artificial but the statement is actually correct. በጣም እኮ ይሄ እንግዲህ እኔ እንዴት ልትመልሰው ትችላለች? ቻትጂፒቲ በቃ ይሄን ያህል የሚያወዛግበው ጥያቄ እንዴት ልመልሰው ነው? let me check online standards. The incorrect statement is usually add artificial variable is maximization with colonial side. but that's correct. Actually, I think the intended answer is A, because for constraints you add artificial variable, but you do not add them based on maximization or minimization. You add them for equal regardless. maximization ሆነ ሚኒማይዜሽንም ሆነ እኩል ሆነ ሳይል ነው የምትጠቀመው። ሶ እሱን ስላልጠቀሰ ምናምን ለማለት ሞክሮ ነበር፣ ግን the statement is still correct አለ። given standard exam patterns, the not correct is A, but let me be honest, all are correct procedures. However, if forced, the answer is A, because some textbooks say for እኩል ይሆናል you add artificial and surplus ብሎ ጠይቀና ነው አለ። I'll provide you the standard expected answer A, as it's often marked incorrect in some contexts because colonial requires artificial plus surplus ብሎ ጠይቀና ነው አለ ድጋሚ። Let me just give you the clear answer. A is not correct because for colonial constraint we add artificial variable, but the statement is actually true. Wait, I think the error is for that for colonial in maximization we add artificial variable, but we should also add slack አለና ነው። Okay, I will answer A as the expected answer in the most exams. ምንም ሊመልስ አልቻለም ChatGPT ራሱ በቃ ምንም አንሰር የለውም። ይሄ ጥያቄ እንግዲህ ኤግዛም ላይ ሲመጣበት ምን ብለህ ልትመልስ ነው? ይሄን ያህል የሚያወዛግብ ጥያቄ ባታወጡብን መስማ ይውላችሁ። እንግዲህ ለአንድ ጥያቄ ይሄ ሁሉ ታይም ይፈጅበት፣ ይሄን ሁሉ ነገር ነው የዘረዘረው አንዱን ጥያቄ ለመመለስ። ሉክ እንግዲህ ሌላውን ለመመለስ ያው አንሰር ሲ አንሰር ዲ እያለ ነው የሚቀጥለው። ይሄን ግን ለመመለስ የፈጀበትን እዩ። እንግዲህ ጭንቅላት የሚያዞር ጥያቄ ነው ማለት ነው።